Goed, my naam is Clifford Ellison. Almal sê maar vir my Cliffy. Ek is nou 14 jaar by Ernest Kriel en ek is 'n vrywilliger. Ek doen die veiligheid vir hulle, die security. En die rede hoekom ek nou nog hier is en dit nog steeds doen is omdat ek woon ook hier en ek hou daarvan mense moet veilig wees. So dit is grootendeels wat ek doen. So maar ek sien nog uit na elke dag. Volgende dag beplan wat ons gaan doen, waar ons moet kyk, waar ons nie moet kyk nie. So dit werk uit. So dit sal seker nog baie lank hier wees. Dis dit wat ek dink.
En ook vir my veilig te hou.
Ja, vir jou ook veilig te hou, ja.
Okay, my name's Joan. I've been living at Ernest Kriel now for 14 years and happy every day and still happy at Ernest Kriel. Never had a complaint. And I did quite a bit of volunteer work. At the moment I'm still doing volunteer, but in the bargain bin. And I feel it's in a place like this, it's very important to keep yourself busy, to keep occupied, to come and sit outside and talk with other people and to socialize. There is so much going on here that if you're staying in your room all the time, they're missing out on all that. And then of course there are benefits, as you can see. I enjoy every day of it. The socializing, meeting people when they move in. You know, it's just all round great.